When most people dream about starting their own product brand, they imagine one thing, a factory. But the truth is, you can start without one. Let's talk about how. Rows of machines, huge buildings, a massive investment. But that's not where most successful brands begin. The truth may surprise you. Many successful brands don't own manufacturing facilities. They focus on understanding their customers, building their brand, and delivering value. Think about it for a moment. Your customers don't buy products because you own machines. They buy because they trust your brand. That's what really creates long-term success. If you're just starting, invest in your ideas. Invest in your product. Invest in your customers. Invest in your brand. Let experienced manufacturers take care of production. This is why OEM manufacturing exists. It allows entrepreneurs to create their own branded products without building their own factory. You stay focused on growing your business while experienced teams handle manufacturing. Imagine spending your mornings talking with customers, improving your products, building your reputation, instead of worrying about production equipment, maintenance, and factory operations. Let's be honest. Your dream probably isn't to own a factory. Your dream is to see people choosing your product, trusting your brand, and recommending it to others. If you've been waiting because you thought you needed a factory, maybe today is the day you stop waiting. Bring us your idea. We'll help you build the product. And together, let's build your brand.